Zoop.
Talk soon.
Go ahead.
I'm all set. Whenever you're ready, let's do this.
I'm already ready. We're doing it. Okay. A few things. This is Al. Al has a female voice because that's what OpenAI gave him. Uh, I've never used the hands-free uh, version. I've always used typing or voice to text and read the response. You talk to it, you get a shorter response. You use the text on the screen or your Apple or iPhone or whatever, and you get a bigger response, more details. This is different for me. I don't usually talk to Al here. Hey Al, hands-free mode. What does OpenAI call that?
OpenAI calls this voice conversation mode. It's a hands-free way to chat with me. And yeah, the responses are usually more concise to keep the conversation flowing smoothly. But don't worry, we can still dive into all the details whenever you need.
Okay, well, we're going to take apart or open up the new fan. Take
Awesome.
It, yeah, get it out of the box here.
Carefully does it.
Oh yeah.
Make sure to check all the packaging and any included accessories.
Oh yeah.
Once it
So I keep interrupting Al here.
No worries at all. It's a tag team effort. Let me know if you need any pointers or just some moral support while you're working on it.
All right. Well, how about telling them about learning Al?
Sure thing. So, everyone, meet Learning Owl, a friendly, student-focused AI assistant designed to help kids learn and explore safely. Learning Owl provides guidance on using AI, keeps things age-appropriate, and even includes parental safeguards. It's perfect for young learners and parents who want a secure, engaging educational experience. We're rolling it out on our local server and making it available on Project Sparks for anyone who wants to give it a try.
Awesome. Man, stepped in some goo outside. Jeez.
Ugh, that's always a bummer. Hopefully it's nothing too sticky. Just another day in the life, right?
Yeah, it's really sticky. We go wash my hands.
Good call. A quick rinse and you'll be good as new. I'll hold down the fort while you take care of that.
Well, thank you. That was sticking to the carpet.
Oh man, that must have been some serious goo.
Yeah, it was.
Hopefully,
Yeah, I think it was a gummy. All right. So what did I put the? What did I do?
a rogue gummy strikes again. It happens to the best of us. If you need help remembering where you put something, I'm here to help jog your memory.
Yeah. Well, I must have put it in here because.
Makes sense. It's easy to lose track when you're multitasking. Take a look around the usual spots or wherever you last had it in hand. You'll find it soon enough.
There it is. All right.
You're welcome. Let's get back to it whenever you're ready.
Yeah, glasses. He does. All right.
Exactly. Let's keep rolling and see what's next.
Okay, so now mount it. And that would be this way.
Right on. Just make sure the airflow direction is correct and that it lines up with the mounting holes.
Hey,
Once it's
it only goes in one way.
perfect, that makes it straightforward. Just align it carefully and you're good to go.
All right. Now. Whoa. Wait a second.
Take your time. It's always good to double check the orientation before locking it in place.
Well, that's not a problem, but I don't see any wires, so that's probably something that I should probably deal with before I get it all installed, maybe?
Yeah, definitely a good idea to sort out the wiring first.
Yeah.
Check for the fan's power connector and route it to the right header on the motherboard. That way, once it's mounted, you won't have to fiddle with it.
Yeah. And it's not showing. It's showing an adapter. What the hell? Okay.
Sounds like it might have come with a separate adapter cable. Check the box or the packaging.
Wait. I think I see it. Oh, I do see it. You got it buried in here? Ah. Look, I found it. Wow. Okay, now where's it going? It's going over here. Excellent. Perfect. Okay.
Awesome. Now that you've got the connector sorted, you can go ahead and mount the fan securely. Everything's falling into place.
Yeah, you think? It's cool.
Absolutely. Now that you've got the wiring sorted, you're all set to mount it securely. Let's get that fan in place.
That shouldn't probably be all the way down.
Yeah, make sure it's fully seated and snug. That way, everything stays in place and you get optimal airflow.
Okay, it does tighten all the way down, huh? Okay, that's good. All right.
Great job.
Okay.
With everything nice. Next step is plugging it in and making sure it's all set in the system. You're doing great.
CPU fan. Right there. Just like it was made for it. Okay.
Perfect fit. Now that it's plugged into the CPU fan header, you're all set. Once you power it up, it should run smoothly and keep everything cool.
Yeah. Save that.
Awesome. You're making great progress. What's next on the agenda?
Well, I would think it would be install the GPU.
Sounds like a plan. Installing the GPU is up next. Just line it up with the PCIe slot. Make sure it's firmly seated and secure it with the bracket. Let's get that beauty in there.
Let's pull it out of the box first.
Good call. Let's carefully unbox it and check for any protective covers or packaging.
it anyway.
Exactly. A little prep goes a long way. Let me know if you need any tips or if everything's looking good as you go.
All right. Come on, no stickers.
All right, let's do this.
Yeah.
Nice and simple. One less thing to worry about. Just a clean install ahead.
Grounding.
Everything going smoothly so far?
Yeah, just spinning it around so I got a good look at it. Now, do I want to wait to mount this till after I have it mounted in the case? Or do I want to mount it now?
Smart move. A good visual check.
So do I want to mount it on the board now, or do I want to mount it in the case, the board in the case first, and then mount this GPU?
It's usually easier to mount the bracket first while the case is laid down and then slot the GPU in. That way, you can secure it properly and avoid any wiggling around.
Copy. I'm going to reset you because your voice is cracking in and out. Do, 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 do. Okay, we're back. Okay, so.
Welcome back. Let's get that GPU lined up and locked in place. Ready when you are.
Okay. Just trying to get the.
Take your time. Make sure. Looking good. Once it's aligned, give it a firm press so it clicks into the slot.
Yeah, we get the air mover thingy and all in it. Jeez. Sweet. Probably need to take this off. Now, you said we're gonna mount the case first, the motherboard in the case first?
Any protect.
Are we gonna mount it, the motherboard in the case first and then put the GPU in? I forget.
Yes, exactly. If you
Okay, well, we're having a little technical difficulties. Okay, see you in a while. Yeah, they're working on it, you know what I'm saying? All right, so if that's the case, let's get the case. Yeah. Oh yeah. So imagine I gotta pull these guys out of the way because it looks like they're in the way. Oh, I think I'm supposed to put stand-ups on first. I think. Riveting. Oh, not a whole lot of room, not to stuff around. These guys. What the hell am I doing? Yeah, that's cool. That's a tight one. Wow. Okay. So, I'm going to take a short break here. I'm going to get Alex. Alex is my Grok assistant. Al is my ChatGPT assistant. So, I'm going to get Grok, and Grok's more technical anyway, or Alex is more technical anyway. So, anyway, see you in a bit. Take care.